Ready to become a South Carolina notary? This guide walks you through the simple, low-cost process for a 10-year commission. South Carolina offers one of the most straightforward paths to becoming a notary in the nation. Unlike many other states, you are not required to take an exam, complete a training course, or purchase a costly surety bond. This significantly lowers the barrier to entry. Best of all, once you are commissioned, your term lasts for a full 10 years, one of the longest commission periods available anywhere. This means less paperwork and fewer renewal fees over the course of your career. So who is eligible to become a notary in South Carolina? The requirements are simple and clear. You must be at least 18 years old and able to read and write English. Most importantly, you must be a registered voter in South Carolina, which confirms your age and residency status. You cannot have any disqualifying criminal convictions or be under a court order of mental incompetence. If you meet these criteria, you're ready to start the application process. The application itself is a critical step with one very common pitfall. First, download the official form from the SC Secretary of State's website. Fill out the top portion completely and sign it in front of another commissioned notary. Here's the most important part. Do not mail your application to the Secretary of State. Instead, you must submit the notarized application and your $25 fee to your county legislative delegation office. The correct address is listed right on the application form. After your county delegation endorses your application and forwards it, the Secretary of State will issue your notary commission certificate, typically within 2 to 12 weeks. But you're not done yet. Once you receive that certificate in the mail, you have a strict 15-day deadline to take it to the Clerk of Court in your county of residence. There, you will pay a $10 enrollment fee and take your oath of office. Only after this step is complete are you officially authorized to notarize. With your commission enrolled, it's time to get your supplies. A notary seal is required by law. It can be an ink stamp or an embosser, but it must include your name, title, state of South Carolina, and your commission expiration date. While a notary journal is not required for traditional paper notarizations, it is strongly recommended as it protects you by providing a detailed record of your acts. South Carolina also sets a maximum fee of $5 per traditional notarial act. South Carolina allows commissioned notaries to upgrade their authority to handle electronic documents. This is called in-person electronic notarization, or IPEN, and requires a separate registration and a $50 fee. With IPEN, the signer must still physically appear before you. This is not the same as remote online notarization, or RON, where the signer appears via video. As of 2026, South Carolina does not authorize its notaries to perform remote online notarizations. All notarizations require the signer's physical presence. Becoming a notary in South Carolina is an accessible way to serve your community, add a valuable skill to your resume, or start a side business. With no exam, no bond, and a 10-year term, the process is simpler and more affordable than almost anywhere else. For more guides, resources, and notary prep materials, visit us at Open Exam Prep.